It cleanses your lungs, eliminates phlegm, strengthens your immune system, and more. You can make this drink with ingredients that you probably have at home, or if not, are easy to find. The first ingredient in this recipe is green apple. Green apple is rich in antioxidants that can help take care of the health of the lungs, improving the respiratory capacity and strengthening our immune system. Green apples are great allies for improving lung function. It contains vitamins A, E, C, beta-carotene, which further improve respiratory function. The vitamin C present in green apple also helps protect our lungs from air pollutants like ozone and nitrogen dioxide. The first thing is to wash the apple well, peel it and cut it in 4 parts. Honey. Honey is the golden elixir par excellence offered by nature. For it to be truly medicinal and healing for our lungs, we should always consume organic honey. And the third ingredient is lemon, a very healing citrus fruit. Lemon juice is a very therapeutic remedy for detoxifying and cleansing our lungs. Its high content of vitamin C and antioxidants protect the lung alveoli and their tissues from the attacks of those external contaminants we suffer every time we breathe. Before preparing this recipe, I will pass on a message that is in Numbers 6:24-26 says, "The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and give you favor. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace." In other words, the greatest blessing we can receive is God's presence, peace and grace in our lives. Reflect on this message, and in the meantime, I will continue the video. 1 green apple, the juice of 1 lemon and a spoonful of honey. And besides that you will need 200 ml of water. You can drink it every morning on an empty stomach for at least a week. After that, continue to drink it at least 3 times a week. So that was today's tip. I hope you liked it. I will stop here. See you in the next video. Bye.